Nasdaq gapped higher at the Asia Open. No surprise, it's due to Nvidia earnings, which were better than expected. But if we drill down to the shorter term charts, you will see that on a 5-minute basis, this was the gap in Asia. We filled the gap. We are holding the gap now, but stocks are off their highs. And it is even more pronounced if you look at S&P futures. The S&P futures, we are now trading, at the time of recording, towards the bottom of the gap. So the gap has been completely filled. And I think this is a reflection of the market's, optimism about Nvidia earnings, but also concerns about, whether the, earnings are going to have a lasting impact on the markets in general, how the U.S. economy is doing, as well as what the Federal Reserve is thinking. Now, U.S. Treasury yields on the right-hand side, you'll see, is up across the board. I can show you 10-year yields. If we look at the daily chart, they are up, and we also see gains in the other markets. So the rally in yields, I'm going to move this quote over here a little bit. The rally in yields is going to prevent equities from moving too much to the upside. We did have mixed U.S. data. Trade data from the U.S. was weaker. Jobless claims was stronger. And, I think the trade activity in U.S. overall is a problem for traders and investors. Is something that I think is limiting the gains in dollar yen, even though U.S. yields are up. The most important event, of course, is the Jackson Hole Symposium, which begins today, and Kevin Warsh's press conference or speech tomorrow at 10 a.m. New York time. Traders will be looking to see whether he says anything about monetary policy. We've already heard from ECB officials who suggest that they may be nearing the end of tightening, that another 25 basis points could put them at neutral rates. That's part of the reason why euro is lower today, even though GFK consumer confidence numbers are stronger. BOJ deputy governor suggests that they could still be thinking about raising interest rates, but that doesn't seem to have affected any of the yen pairs over at all. Dollar yen is up, euro yen is kind of up as well. But it's all up to Fed, all up to Warsh. Dollar is trading firmer going into Jackson Hole. U.S. data hasn't been great, but we'll keep an eye on the headlines, try to keep you updated. The daily intel sheet is the place you should go for what's happening and impacting the markets intraday. Tells you that S&P and Nasdaq slipping into the red due to dual event risk. Yesterday, we also had 10-year Treasury yields retreat sharply. And we had crude falling a little bit. Strait of Hormuz remains closed. All the headlines. Let's see if we had anything from Trump. Nothing from Trump since Wednesday. So, he did say here, Iran is caving out of a deal. I supported South Carolina. Nothing that's too market moving. Otherwise, just type in Intel to get access to this free Intel sheet. I'm Kathy Lee with BK Traders. Have a great trading day.